Hi, Miss Tidwell's favorite first graders. So a little bit of teaching time with Miss Tidwell, but before that, I just want to share with you something that I sent your moms and dads a message about yesterday. We are having a contest. Ooh! If you turn in 80 or more seesaw assignments by Monday, when Monday, then I am going to bring to your house a prize and leave for you. Now, there are already friends that have got over 100 assignments. Penelope, woo! Mariana, woo! Lila, woo! Aubrey, woo! Camden, woo! Have over 100. I am coming to their house soon if I haven't already been there yet. I already did see a couple of them, and I was so excited to get those sweet hugs. All right, so you're next on my list. Get your assignments done and turned in. I'm checking it each day. I want to see that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. I'm teaching. You have to be there to be learning it and picking it up and doing it to show me you know what I'm giving your way. You're going to be second graders before you know it, and you've got to be prepared, even if you're at home right now. And that's what I want to make sure is going on. Now, let's take a look at our calendar time. Calendar time. All right, yesterday was Wednesday, April 22nd. Remember, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? What's today? What's after Wednesday? TH at the beginning there. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Hey, it's Thankful Thursday. It is Thursday, April. Wait, yesterday was 22nd. 22. Whoa, it's not 25. What comes after 22? Let me find it. Where'd it go? Oh no. What's going to come after 22? 22. If you just said 23, you are correct. Where is my number 23? I can't find it. What would be in the tens place? A 2. What would be in the ones place? A 3. Is this correct? Yes, it is. 2 in the tens, 3 in the ones. 20 plus 3 equals 23. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Yesterday, 151 days of school. 151 plus 1 more. Remember, plus 1 is the next number. I'm going to put it in the ones place because here's one, here's one. 1, 2, uno, dos. The picture and the number have to match. So if we're going to go ahead and turn it, there's our 2. 152. What kind of number is this? Look at the back number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You're right. Even. It is even. So since the back number's even, the whole number is even. And remember, I can count by tens. Can you? Can you? I can count by tens, and I'll start with 2, 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, 102, 112, 122, 132, 142, 152, 152. Let's write that in expanded notation. There's a 1 here, but it means it's how much? 100. Plus, there's a 5 here, but it's 5 tens, which means it's 50. Plus 2. 100 plus 50 plus 2 equals what? 152. There we go. Think about how you could write it in a different way. Sorry, it's a little messy. 152. Change it around. You can add numbers in any order. The answer stays the same. What's that called? Say it. Commutative property. Exactly. It's like a related fact. So I can switch around my numbers in any order. 100 plus 50 plus 2. 50 plus 100 plus 2. 2 plus 100 plus 50. 2 plus 50 plus 100. It all equals what? 152. You got it. All right. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Who can tell me? What's the weather like? What's the weather? Take a look. Can you see out the window? I don't know if you can notice it. Ah, what's the weather? It's raining. It's a rainy day. So I'm going to put rainy tally mark. Oh, it just started coming down hard when I said that. Mother Nature was listening in. Let's put a tally mark right here at rainy. Bloop. And then we can count. Remember, if it's a group of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, hi-ya, karate chop. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, stop. 13 rainy days. Remember, you can look at charts, graphs, tables, and gather what? Data. Gather what? Information. What do we know by looking at this chart? We know we've had 13 rainy days. We know we've had 0 snowy days. We know we've had 108 sunny days. We know we've had less snowy than anything else. We know we've had less rainy than cloudy. Say one more thing you know by looking at this chart. Good. Thank you for your participation. Here's something I want to share with you for today. I know that you're looking at it as your seesaw assignment. Let's see if I can slide this around so I can have a little bit more room to chit chat with you. I'm coming. Sliding stuff around. Okay, I was going to write it on my little one, but I think I need a little bit more room. So, if we have been looking at adding tens, if we have been looking at noticing patterns on a number grid, this is something I want you to know. You know how to be able to add. Biggest number, keep counting. When you're looking at adding 2-digit numbers, and we did this before in class, but we're going to start making sure we're really using this to the best of your ability and more frequently so you can get really good at it. If I want to do my adding where I'm going to add a 2-digit number, like 26. If I said there are 26 M&Ms in the bag, plus there were 22 Skittles in a snack pouch, how many pieces of candy would that be? So I'm going to add the two numbers, 26 plus 22. Now remember, when you're adding a 2-digit number, pretend like there is that imaginary line, bloop, 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 cut right down the middle. When I'm doing my adding of a 2-digit number or subtraction, I have to start with the ones place. You know where the ones are, so I have to look at the ones first. So if I'm going to just focus on the ones, 6 plus 2. So that's 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 equals what? 8. I'm going to write the ones plus the ones and write it at the ones. Now I'm ready to write my tens or look at the tens. 2 plus 2. Hey, that's a double. 2 plus 2 equals 4. I'm going to write it in the tens place. 26 plus 22 equals what? 48. I'm adding a 2-digit number. Now, this is one that's called without regrouping. So if I just gave you a little bit more fancy word for it, this is a 2-digit addition without regrouping. We're going to get really good at this, and then I'm going to introduce something to you next week. It gives a little bit more. Let's try another. If I said there were 13 balloons in the pack that I got at the dollar store, plus I got another pack of balloons and there were 14 in that pack. How many balloons would I have in all? I just made up a number story problem and I'm going to write an addition sentence to go with it. I know it's going to be addition because if I said I got some and I got some more. So when you get some and you get some more, you put it together to see what you've got in the whole thing. All right, I'm going to pretend like there's a little imaginary line right here just so I can remember. I'm going to start in the ones. If I look in the ones, that's 3 plus 4. Hey, That's side by side on the number line, so it's a doubles plus 1. I can either use it as a doubles plus 1, smallest number, a 3 or a 4. 3. Now double it. 3 plus 3 equals 6, plus 1 more equals 7. Or I can say my biggest number, 4, 5, 6, 7. I get 7. Either way I try it, so there's more than one strategy. Now I'm ready to do the tens place. 1 plus 1. Oh, another double. 1 plus 1 equals what? 2. 2. So if I had 13 balloons in one pack, I have 14 balloons in another pack. How many balloons is that in the whole thing? 2 tens, 7 ones. 20 plus 7 equals, what's my answer? 27. Okay, so this is addition when I'm adding 2 digits without regrouping. You're going to see some more like this in your seesaw assignments. If you need any help, come back and watch this video again. This is the main thing you have to remember. Start in the ones place. Start in the ones place. Don't start at the front. That's a bad habit. If you start at the tens place and you go, then later on you'll have to forget that to learn it all over again, because we're going to see some more things to do with it later. All right, Miss Tidwell misses you, and I'm so glad I got to see some of my friends today, and I hope I get to see some more of you very, very, very soon. Do your assignments. I'll make a visit. Bye, guys.